Hi, I'm Jamie from the People's Orchestra. So you want to join the People's Show Choir. This can be done in a few easy steps. Step 1. First, open your web browser and type into your search engine the People's Orchestra, and it should be the first result on the screen, or simply click on the URL link to our website in the description box below this video. Step 2. Next, once you're on our website, scroll down a little way till you see 4 big bright square buttons that represent our organisation. For the People's Show Choir, click the yellow button. From there you will be able to read what our membership includes, useful information and upcoming special events for the show choirs. Step 3. Next, scroll down until you come to another set of buttons. These are the areas where our choirs have been set up. Click on your local area and it will take you to a page where you can learn where rehearsals are held and what times they run. If you want to learn more about what to expect from rehearsals, you can find out by clicking on the button here. Step 4. Now you know about your first rehearsal, you're ready to sign up. Scroll up to the top of the page till you see a row of 3 buttons. Click on the Set Up Your Membership button on the right. Now for the easy part, you will be asked to fill in your name, email address and your chosen choir. Click Next and you'll need to select the right membership plan for you. Once you've decided, you can add it to your basket and proceed from there. If you are unsure about becoming a member just yet, don't worry. You can sign up for a 4-week trial with your local show choir and see how you get on before starting your membership. If you need any more information regarding membership or the show choirs, find the row of 3 buttons again, click on the left one and fill in the boxes provided. We're excited you're joining us and hope to see you soon. Bye!